Okay, see that? It's 11:03 p.m. at night. And this is what is called rude RVers. Okay. See those guys over there? Can you hear their generator at 11 o'clock at night? And look, they are that far away from me. And look how loud that motherfucker, excuse my language, look how loud that thing is. That's called rude. Rude, rude, rude. See the time? Oops, where is it? Let's see if I can. Okay. Oh, I'm not even in the right place. Oh, I can't do the word. Okay, there we go. I can get it to work. Oh, that's why, because I have to zoom in all the way. All right. 11:05. 11:05 p.m. And those guys, I'm sure you can hear their generator, can you? They are how far away? A long friggin' ways away. They've got, look at all those lights. I'm glad I'm not close to them. Those are some really, really rude people. "11 o'clock at night, and they're running their generator." That is called rude. Rude. Can you hear that? I sure can. Anyway, please like and subscribe. Peace.